Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Bigin CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or disconnect your Stripe account from your Bigin's CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink or remove your Stripe account from your Bigin CRM? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes Stripe can put your payments on hold. So maybe you don't want to use them as a payment gateway anymore. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Bigin CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Bigin CRM, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, if you want to remove Stripe payments, what you're going to do is click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you're going to see this gray menu here on the left, and you want to click on organization. Once you click there, you're going to see these 4 options at the top. And in order to remove your Stripe payments, click on payments. So guys, once you click there, you're going to be in the Zoho checkout section, and towards the bottom, you're going to see the Stripe logo. As you can see, mine says disconnect. If yours is green, that means your Stripe is not connected. However, in order to remove Stripe, click on disconnect, the red button. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this pop up warning you that if you disconnect your Stripe gateway, your customers cannot use this payment gateway. So basically, they won't be able to pay your invoice with the credit card. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on the red disconnect button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see underneath the Stripe logo, it says connect. Now on my payment links, my customers will not have the option to pay a credit card with the Stripe payment link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove Stripe from your Bigin CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.